here in Kenya. We are the designers of the product, Sebastian, Camilo and Julian. The population in Kenya a few years ago has suffered the major problem of decomposition of their food, as they made long trips and they don't not have the opportunity to buy an electric refrigerator.
Now that we explained the problem, we're going to present you the solution. Our solution is a product that is called the Potting Pot. This is an ecological refrigerator that seeks to replace industrial technologies. And the idea is used to keep refrigerated food, beverage or drinks without energy consumption. And this one is the product.
Works as an evaporative cooling. When the water from the sand and the cloth gets evaporated, it absorbs energy from the interior container, which keeps fresh while the process continues. In conclusion, this simple technology needs only a dry airflow and a water pump.
So what are the benefits of the Potting Pot refrigerator? First, we don't have to expend electricity because this technology is based only with natural resources. So we don't have to spend money paying electricity or something like that. Second is the price. It's very cheap. You can get this type of technology very easy and it helps a lot to the people.
Okay, we're here with our witness, Mr. Mufasa, that is going to prove that our product is real. Hi, Mr. Mufasa.
Hi, I'm very happy with this product. It was helped too much to my community and it was approved. Oh, this is too hot.
I have the solution for your problem. This is the Potting Pot.
Other of the advantages of the Potting Pot refrigerator is that we can store food and sell it. Why? Because, for example, in places with low resources, some people doesn't have access or can buy a freezer, so they can sell food. So with this Potting Pot refrigerator, you can store the food and sell it as well with a freezer. Other advantage of this product is that you can store something like medicines and vaccines that are confirmed and proved that we can store that type of objects or products that need to be a lot of care.
So your problem, your community, you have to buy our product, that is the Potting Pot. It costs $19.99.
Only $19.99?
Yeah, dude, but you can have 3 by the price of 1 if you call to the 92234. So please buy it.